Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Andobil USB-C to Lightning charger cable. Great charging cable for your Apple devices, and especially to pair with a Type-C PD charger to get that fast charging on your iPhone, including the new iPhone 13. So let's pull it out here. Now they do make this in different lengths. They have different lengths of USB Lightning cables, but this is the 3-foot. It's sort of the standard size. And you do get a little bonus in here. This is a little cable organizer, so you can stick that somewhere and run your cable through there to keep the cable in place. So that's kind of a cool bonus they include in the package for you. And here is the cable itself. It's that nice white cable. It's thick. You can tell it's shielded very well. You've got your Lightning on one side, and then you've got your USB-C on the other side, and 3-foot of cable. And I love this. They include this nice Velcro wrapper, and there you go. So it's easy to organize your cable. It stays attached to the cable. So like I said, this is about 3 feet, but if you only needed part of that, you could wind this up and just wrap that around there and keep that organized like that. So very, very excellent product by Andobil as far as the make and the look. It looks great, but of course none of that matters if it doesn't work well. So let's jump over to the video so I can show you this cable being used and you can see it in action. As you can see, I've got that Andobil Type-C in plugged into a PD Type-C charger, and you can see that long cord leads all the way to my iPhone, and my iPhone is being charged right now. This cable works really great, plugs in and pulls out just as easily as the native Apple cable that came with the phone. So it works great to charge any iPhone 11, 12, 13, anything that takes a Lightning port. So that, of course, would also include iPads. Works really good with iPads, as well as the Apple AirPods to charge those. Just a really, really excellent Lightning cable. Plugs in really nice and neat. Works really well, and a really excellent product by Andobil. So if you're looking for an extra Type-C to Lightning cord, and those are really great to use with the PD chargers that are out there, because you get the fastest charging on your phone with those, then this Type-C to Lightning cord by Andobil is really, really excellent cord, and definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. I will have a link in the description below to this product on Amazon. You can click that link, jump over to Amazon, read what other people have said about it, and pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, share it with anyone who might be interested, favorite this playlist, and subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my videos. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.